Okay, hello. So for my update today, I worked on the tile hazards as well as created a draft for the announcement trailer. So as you can see here, there's some fire tiles, and this is what I applied the effect to. So basically, what I did was created logic so that when someone steps on the fire or burning tile, they'll actually get inflicted with the burn status effect. Right now I just only applied this to the fire tile. I didn't apply it to the others yet since we don't have electricity status effect or poison status effect that's implemented yet. But anyway, let me show this to you. So if I select Samantha here, and then I move her to this location, she'll pass through the fire, then she starts burning. And then after a while it's gone. And then let me move Bolt now here, same thing. If I move Samantha here, it's gonna continue to get inflicted with burn until she dies. Only if I move her away she stops burning. I mean, she died there because she burned. But yeah, as long as you're in the fire, you'll start burning, and then it's the same with all the status effects here or other status effects that we want to add in the game. So we already have like a status effect system. So this tile hazard is pretty much using that. So it's modular. I can change what type of particles being shown, what type of status effects being inflicted when I step on it, stuff like that. And this is, again, I can also use this for the fire spreading logic, but I haven't implemented the fire spreading logic yet, but this would be like the baseline for it, or the foundation logic for something like that. So yeah, so that's what we have. And then now let me show you this. So I created a draft of the announcement trailer. And let me just play. I created two versions. One using like New Vegas soundtrack music, and the other one's using like Fallout 3 radio music. Let me first play the Fallout 3 version.
The moon is yellow, and I'm your fellow goodbye. Soon we'll reach that red letter day, when I will pop the question and you say okay. Say then we'll be married in the month of May.
So there, that's the one of the versions. So even though it's not complete, wanted to create a draft so we can see what's missing. This is the other version. So it's pretty much the same music, because I think the music really changes the vibe of it. So this one has a more like serious tone music, while the one previously is more like the Fallout style radio old school music. But this one I'm playing here is more serious music. So yeah, basically my inspiration for this is the Void War announcement trailer. Let me find it. Let me go to YouTube. I think it's called the Alpha trailer, not announcement trailer. But yeah, it's this one. So what I did was basically look through this and list down everything that I saw here in this trailer and tried to replicate the pacing and flow of this and try to replicate the scenes here too. So for example, this is only like 25 seconds. It starts with the ship shooting, which is also similar to what I did here. Starts with the node map. See the node map. But yeah, the difference is that Void War is like really like going really fast, and I guess mine is a bit more slow because I wanted to show more player understand what's going on, because if it's so fast, like uh, I wouldn't understand what's happening. So what I mean by fast is like the cuts are much faster in Void War. Like each cut is like a second long. Well, in the version I created, I made it more like 2 or 3 seconds per cut. Yeah, because I mean, yeah, just let me know what you think. For me, it's like it's a strategic game, so you don't have to go so fast, but at the same time, we don't have much to show yet. We'll avoid where there's a section. Okay, I think I get it now. Look at this. half half the video is just the call to action, the name, the release date, I guess, spring 2025, and the available now in itch.io. Maybe that's why it's so fast. Well, in my version, the whole like how long is this? Oh wow, it's actually 40 seconds. That's longer than I thought. Oh wait, no, it's not 40 seconds because it's just black here in the end. It's actually around 28 seconds for like the gameplay footage, and it cuts to black. Yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know what you think about the draft, if the pacing is right or if we're showing the right things. Also, what do you think of the music? Is a more serious tone music better, or is like a more old school radio type of music better for the type of game we're making? Just Fallout inspired. But yeah, both music I use is both Fallout from Fallout. So yeah, I'm gonna end the update here. So tomorrow, um, I mean, I'm gonna wait for Amit's feedback on the trailer. Then, based from his feedback, that's what I'm gonna work on. So yeah, I'm just gonna end the video here, and thanks for watching.